Hi, I want to explain the difference between SRC and IRB and when each is needed. SRC, or Scientific Review Committee, is needed for projects involving vertebrate animals, microbes, human or animal tissues or fluids, and our DNA. This is for all high school projects and middle school projects which do not meet the middle school super easy rules. IRB, or Institutional Review Board, is for when a project has human participants or human subjects in it. An SRC has to have at least 3 people. One has to be a biomedical scientist because they are reviewing things that would need that, i.e. animals or microbes being the 2 main ones. A science teacher who is not the adult sponsor, and at least 1 other person. An IRB has to be at the level of where the research is being done. So if the survey, for example, if there's a survey being done at the school, then the school IRB has to happen. If they are doing a survey at a university, the university has its own IRB, and that's the one that needs to be used. So for your local IRB, you have to have, again, a teacher, a school administrator, so principal, vice principal is best, and a medical or mental health professional. This is because you're going to be doing an experiment involving humans, so you need someone who understands the effects of different things on humans. Your school nurse, your school counselor are both really good options for that. To avoid conflict of interest, no adult sponsor, parent, or other relative of the student, the qualified scientist, if there is one, or a designated supervisor, can be on the SRC or IRB who's reviewing that specific project. This is why it's good to have more than one of certain types of people on there. So if you have 2 teachers, if the one teacher has a conflict, the other teacher takes on that role. There are also exceptions to how these rules work. And for that, you need to read all about it, either in the MS Easy rules or the full ISEF rules for the very specifics, because there are some specifics, but it's better to be safe than sorry and to always get this pre-approval if you have any of these kinds of things. It's better to have one and not need it than to not have it and to have needed it, as this needs to happen before the project starts. Good luck.